Can you really file your own tax return without messing it up? The answer may surprise you and may save you hundreds of dollars next year. Hi there, I am James Karanja from CASHPAP Academy, where we make taxes simple, practical, and stress-free. Today, I am answering one of the biggest questions people ask. Can I file my own taxes? Most people can actually file their own tax return, especially if you have a W-2 job, no business income, no complicated deductions, no rental property, basic dependents. If that's you, it's not only possible to file on your own, it's easy. If you want step-by-step training on exactly how to file your own taxes using real examples, check out Cashpapacademy.store. At Cashpap Academy, we don't just make money, we make sense of it. But some people should not self-file. You should get help if you have multiple businesses, Schedule C with employees, rental properties with depreciation, past due tax returns, IRS letters or audits. If any of that apply to you, you should use a tax professional. Tax softwares like Free Tax USA guides you question by question. It checks for mistakes, calculates credits, helps you choose the filing status, compares standard versus itemized, shows your refund in real time. So you don't need to know everything, you just need to follow the prompts. When you file your own taxes, you save money on prep fees, you avoid being taken advantage of, you learn what affects your refund, you build confidence year after year. It's one of the smartest money skills to learn. Join CASHPAP Academy today at Cashpapacademy.store. We don't just make money, we make sense of it.